this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance wiper blade on a side lock wiper arm. For this installation, you will need to exchange the pre-installed H-type base holder for the B-type base holder included in your packaging. Step 1. The H-type holder is located in the center of the wiper blade, and it is about 3 inches long. Step 2. To remove the H-type base holder, look for the tab located at the top end of the base holder next to the Goodyear logo. Using your index finger, pull the tab back towards the logo. Then, pull the entire holder upwards until it disengages. Step 3. Take the B-type base holder and wedge the tab closest to the opening on the holder into either opening on the wiper blade. Then, push the other end of the base holder into the wiper blade until it snaps into place. Step 4. Attach the C-type adapter to your wiper arm by aligning the prongs of the arm with the matching slots on the adapter. Use your thumb to keep the arm and adapter aligned. Then, rotate the top half of the adapter towards you until it snaps into place. Step 5. Bring the wiper blade up to the wiper arm with the opening of the B-type holder facing upwards away from the windshield. Line up the large center groove on the B-type holder with the protrusions on the bottom of the adapter you just installed. Then squeeze together until you hear a loud snap. Step 6. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. For wiper blades with Repel Max technology, please click on the Repel Max logo on your screen or on the link in the description box below for further application instructions. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.